guys, my name is Korak and today I'm going to show you something that has made my life a lot easier. The Airtel datacard hotspot. Let's get started. The box includes the Airtel hotspot, a USB data cable, battery and a user manual. The hotspot provides 4G Wi-Fi internet for up to 6 hours while active and 300 hours on standby. It can connect up to 10 devices with a download speed of up to 150 Mbps and an upload speed of up to 50 Mbps. You can utilize its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi on even non-4G devices. It's lightweight, portable and super convenient. No matter where you are, it helps you always stay in touch with your online work and social media. After using this for the last 1 month, I can tell you that this will be a great buy for all the tech-savvy people out there. Give it a try.
Here and today I'm going to talk about the Airtel My Wi-Fi high-speed internet dongle. A lot of us have moved to working from home and we don't really have access to the traditional high-speed office Wi-Fi. In times like these, it's always better to carry a dongle around with you so that you can access internet anytime you want. The Airtel Wi-Fi dongle is a convenient solution to all your internet woes. Here are the 5 features of this product. Number 1. It delivers high-speed internet in a jiffy. The Airtel Wi-Fi dongle supports 2.4 GHz of Wi-Fi and guess what? You can connect up to 10 separate devices at the same time. So not only you but your colleagues or friends can also use this hotspot. Number 2, it's extremely easy to use. All you need to do is insert an Airtel SIM into the device, turn it on and start surfing. Number 3, the dongle is extremely convenient to carry around and lightweight. It fits in the palm of your hand, you can put it in your pocket, your backpack or purse and just take it anywhere with you. Number 4, it has a 23 mAh battery which makes for great battery life. You can use this for up to 6 hours and it has a standby time of 300 hours. And number 5, it's compatible with the laptops, phones or even tablets, basically any of your devices. So if you too are looking for a simple and easy way to connect to a 4G hotspot, then I suggest that you go ahead and get your hands on this product and I will see you in the next video.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.